All right, so Hedera is currently trading at 0.2346. We are up 0.37% in the last 24 hours. Now, 24-hour volume is surging up 13%. Is Hedera now testing a major support level, or is it going to bounce and break down even further? Let's take a look. All right, so we're going to start off on the daily time frame here. We can see that the price is possibly consolidating, meaning price is coming up to an area of resistance at 0.249 and coming down to an area of support around our 30 or 61% of our Fibonacci at 22 cents. Now, this area is going to be a crucial area support zone, especially coming down to this downwards trend. So ever since that high we found on January 17th here, and then continuously making a lot of higher lows and a lot of lower lows from that break from our descending triangle. So we're kind of taking a look into the charts. Is Hedera going to hold on to the support, or if the price is going to break even further down, or again, is the bear or the bull is going to take over? So when we take a look on the daily time frame, quickly kind of scanning around here, there are some kind of bullish indicators that I'm seeing, and definitely let me know what you guys think down below as the video is going. But take a look at this on the RSI. It's at 32%. Now, trickling over the last couple of days, it has dropped well below our 20% to 23% and then 26%. So we are considered as oversold, and possibly a sign here is going to show us a buy signal. So typically with the RSI dipping below and crossing above our signal yellow line, it does trigger a buy signal here, and especially around an area of resistance, it may show that we're going to break that and conquer that area of resistance. So we have that as our RSI. When we take a look at our MACD indicator here, we do see some weakness in terms of these histograms, in terms of the sellers. So sellers may be taking a step back and allowing the buyers to step in. So this may show us or let us know that the buyers may push the price as high as the 0.24 cents. That's only, again, if sellers aren't going to step in. And that's kind of what we're seeing here, especially when we take a look at our CMF indicator. We're roughly around our 2%, 0.02% above our zero. So we do kind of see some buyers' interest here. But we have to be cautious as well, because if price is consolidating, coming down to an area of support, is the sellers really going to wait until buyers push in, or are they going to capitalize at this area of resistance? Let's kind of zoom out and take a look on the weekly time frame. So we can see here the bodies itself is quite small. What we're observing around our 61% or 22 cents in the charts. What we also see here is possible buying or selling signals on the weekly time frame. So what that means is in the daily time frame, sellers may be taking a step back. However, they are dominating the overall scope here for Hedera. We do see momentum crossing possibly a crossover of our K and our D line in the negative space here. We do see the RSI is very neutral here at 48% itself. So again, the price can fluctuate. What we are going to pull in now is we're going to pull in our Bollinger Bands. This Bollinger Bands, it will kind of show us if where the price is reacting, if we do have higher volatility, etc. So if we take a look on the daily time frame here, we can see somewhat an expansion happening. So expansions of our Bollinger Bands, meaning there is volatility there. Price may move depending on how big the volatility gets. So if we're seeing that the Bollinger Bands are expanding, where the price is going to give us another hint. So we can see that the price is below our 20 moving average. If volatility is going to get stronger and price is going to move fairly quickly here, and price is found below our 20 moving average, the continuation of the downtrend is more likely. So what I'm kind of taking a look at possibly that may happen in the next couple of days or so, I'm going to say that possibly bulls may push the price here as high as the 25 cents. This area here for me is a hard resistance line here for Hedera. I don't know, prove me wrong. for the buyers to step in and push the price even higher than the 25 cents, could possibly come up and retest our 50% of our Fibonacci, which is 26 cents itself. But what I'm most likely thinking is that it's going to come up to 25 cents and then get rejected downwards and then come closer to more of an area of support. If we take a look on the weekly time frame, basically maybe coming down and retest the 22 cents here, because I do think that the sellers are dominating here. If we do see an expansion, if we see higher volatility, we don't really see a retest of our 20 moving average. It is a huge gap here from 26 cents to our 23 cents here. However, crypto moves fairly quickly here, so we may see that come up. But that's kind of what I'm thinking that may happen to Hedera. I think we may come up to this area of resistance at the 24 cents, and then possibly buyers may step in there. Higher volatility here, higher volume as well may play a part in this, in breaking that to come up to that possible 26 cents. But let me know what you guys think down below. Maybe I'm not reading into some of the fundamentals when it comes to Hedera. Let me know if there's any price action news, more anything like that that may impact that resistance line. But definitely let me know what you guys' thoughts are down below. Like and subscribe as well if you enjoyed the video, and more to come as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.